Not yet. You'll get there. Early days yet, you got to be patient.
Yeah.
Getting better.
Yep, that was
Oh,
I just
I think I caught that. I think I caught that one, Noah. That was a good one. Yeah, that was good too. Thank God I've got such steady hands, right? This is probably terribly shaky.
Okay, I'm gonna do this one.
Yeah, watch your toes. Yeah, marsh pull.
Well, the sound effects aren't helping.
Always make a difference there. It's all in there.
Ready?
Yo. I did. A what, sorry?
Yeah.
Ooh, ow, ow. I bet you miss your Crocs, huh?
Yeah, really need some. Really hurts. My feet are like. Ow! Are you taking a video?
No, I'm taking a video.
Hey, I know that. He's done a video. You're taking a video.
Yo, that was that near. Oh, the arbre got in the way.
But how do you do it?
How do I do what? It's all in the flick of the wrist. It's all in the flick of the wrist.
Then I'm flicking the wrist and it's not working.
Oh, we'll get there, baby. We'll get there. A beautiful day. Ah, a beautiful day on the gasway. Oh, come on.
Don't hit me, please.
That rock just shows you no respect. Poor you. We'll get it, we'll get it. Let's find some rocks. Oh, look at that. Alright.
Wait, let me try to dry it.
Yeah, because that'll make a difference.
Yeah!
Don't ever do that again.
Ah, such a good rock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes I think it's the imperfections that help.
Spinning around for nothing.
I can see it spinning. You just need to make it a bit faster. Anyway, I'm going to turn this off and we're going to...